Welcome to QLIQUID TABLE course. In that video, we will learn how to use dimensions in QLIQUID TABLE extension. I use an app from the Qlik Finance course, which you can watch from the link below, and also here you can download this app. Also, I use Qlik Sense Desktop, but everything is the same for Enterprise or Cloud version. Let's open extensions. Go to Custom Objects, Extension section, and drag and drop QLIQUID Table. So, how to add dimension to QLIQUID Table? You can use standard Add Dimension button and see the all master dimensions that we have in that app. And also all fields were downloaded to that app. Also, you can use master dimensions. It's more efficient to use it. Here on the first icon, you can see the master dimensions of that app. On the second icon, you can see all the fields were downloaded to that app. You can filter it by the tables. For example, I use account load, and for search, even more you can filter that fields. On the third icon, you can select the master visualization. I have here table PNL, and also you can see all dimensions that are included in this visualization. So let's add one dimension from each section. Let's add year. I select it and I use the arrow button to add the dimension. Then I use the fields icon and add in PNL template field the PNL row number 1 field. Then I use visualization and add department from that visualization. I click the Add button. Then I close Master and go to Measures. I just add the actual measure to create simple table and show you the settings of the table. For that, I just click on icon here and select the first icon for settings of that table. I drag and drop year and PNL row number 1, and also drag and drop measures. About the functionality of the settings menu and drag and drop function, I will tell you in the next videos. So, as you can see, we have here all the data, all the dimensions that we were added previously. Next, we will learn about group dimensions. Dimension group allow you to combine dimensions in group as the hierarchy fields, calendar, or other connected data. You can create them in Dimension Master or in the Dimension Group section of Properties. Let's try both ways. Let's go to Dimensions and open Master. Then you can add year months here to the dimension list. And let's create their calendar group. Here we can add calendar and select the add button. So our group is created. Let's select it and add year and year months and click arrow button to add that. Okay, our dimension group is added and it contains year and year months. Next, let's go to the fields and select account load. Let's select all the data except ID and account. And let's also add it to dimensions. Then let's create a new group and call it account. Then let's click on it to add the dimensions and select account 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5 and add to the group. Okay, so here we have our new groups. It's calendar, which contains year and year months, and account. Next, we can use dimension group section. For that, let's just go back to our master and we can add here P&L row number 2. We can go to Fields, P&L template, and add P&L row number 2. Let's close the master again, go to Dimension Groups, Add Group, and let's name the group as P&L. And here we can add dimension. The first will be P&L row number 1, and the second will be P&L row number 2. Let's save, and done. Here we have our table, and let's close and delete all the data we add previously by double-click on dimension. And as you can see, our dimension group has changed color, it's more dark and green, and has icon. And I can drag and drop, for example, account dimension group. And when you drag and drop one dimension group, actually you add all the dimensions that are contained in this group. So it's account 1 till 6. So I can actually expand all the data, and as you can see, it's all the dimensions. The same is for the calendar. It contains year and year months, and the same for the P&L. It has P&L row number 1 and P&L row number 2. So it's very efficient to use for the hierarchy master tables or other connected data. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.